You are good, your mercy is forever, never ending, it's on and your steadfast love. Now, hi guys, hope you're all doing well. This is Jarvis MC. A member of this group asked what kind of foods they should eat and what kind of food they shouldn't eat as a singer. Now, I'm going to give you 4 foods that you must avoid as you go for stage performance or your studio recording. Now, the most sensitive point in your journey of singing is when you are going for a stage performance or a studio recording. Therefore, do not eat the following foods 3 days before your performance or recording. Number 1, sugary foods. Sugary foods will restrain your vocal cord from vibrating optimally because water diffuses from it to the tissues around it that have higher concentration. 2, oily or fat foods. These will cause congestion around the tissues of your throat due to the fat accumulation, making it difficult for optimal vibration of the vocal cord. 3, acidic foods. Acidic foods cause the vocal cord to become highly concentrated, thereby limiting it from vibrating optimally. 4, a heavy meal will make your body to concentrate more on digestion than engagement in singing. Therefore, it makes you dizzy or tired instead of focusing on the quality of your performance. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, throw a question and I will respond. And please subscribe to this channel so that we grow it and you will receive more tips, lessons and exercises that will help to improve your musical performance. Thanks for watching. This is Jarvis MC.